we shall learn the tips about generating random numbers in C++. So we'll include this cstd library. Remember, the C library is the std library, and with in C++ we use this version cstd library. Although the C version also works, but it is better to use this version. This is more recent. And the time library we use ctime. First, for random number generation, this is important. For random number using time, system time, this is important. Okay. The random number concept is just by a random function is there which generates a random number. Let us see what it generates. A simple random number will generate, but it has to be printed also, shown on screen. Yes, it has generated, but it was not displayed. That number will be generated and will be displayed. This number is randomly generated. But if this number is tried again and again, the same random number will be generated. So for that, something we must do. This is same. So for that, another function is important, that we must seed it. So Srand is for seeding the random function, and suppose we seed it with say number 3. So it will generate some other number probably. Random numbers can be, I would have to say probably word, because sometimes it is same also, because it is a pseudo random. So it has generated a different number, but with the same seed it will again generate the same number. If the seed remains 3, the number will remain that. Right? Only in some different session that number may change. So this seed is something which can change, say, so then number will also be different. Just see. So for ensuring that it changes every time, we use a system clock, and from system clock we just have a function for getting time from system clock, and that we use as seed. Just see. If we use system clock as seed, so in every running it will generate a different number. This number will be now based on the system clock number of ticks. Just again, since the seed is very large based on number of ticks, that's why it is generating a large number. But number is different every running of the program now, automatically different. And to ensure that this number in a certain range, say we want to generate a number within the range of say 1 to 99, then we'll use this mod operator 100. That means remainder after dividing it by 100. The number earlier you saw, if it is divided by 100, so that number will follow a certain range. Just see, it should be a number up to 100. Just again, see, it will be different number every time, but up to 100. Less than 100 obviously, but if I want 100 also included, then I will use 101. Right? And if I want this to be done in a loop, suppose I want to generate some 100 random numbers, I'll use a for loop. For int I is equal to 0, then I less than 100, then I plus plus. Right? So I can use this. I am just using this for the sake of clarity. This I am doing now those random number generation within the loop. See what is happening now, that this will generate many numbers up to 100. Yes, to get this clarity, I think I need to give space between different numbers. Then only we'll see it clearly. Right? So every time we generate a number, since it could be a single digit number or 2-digit number, but you can see that all these numbers are up to 100. Maybe 90 is there, 85 is there. If we generate again, this will be a different series because we have seeded it with time. If we don't seed it with time, it will be same series again and again. Yeah, so those numbers are getting generated again and again. If I generate, say maybe 500 numbers, so maybe I'll see a bigger variation. This is actually 0 to 99, those numbers will be there. Even 0 can be generated. Yes. A lot of variations are there. 0 has also been generated. And this time 99 also has been generated. If I have to generate 100 as well, so I'll make addition here to generate number 100 could also be generated. Because one less it will generate, because it will be only, yeah, let us see if it could generate, yeah, 100 was also generated. Okay, so all random numbers are generated. So now you know how to generate numbers from starting value to up to a certain value. You can read more about it. You can also generate numbers in a range. There are certain tricks about that. Okay. So Srand and Rand are two functions which are important to generate number. Srand is to seed number, random number generation, and if the seed is with time, it can keep changing. Otherwise, it will be fixed based on whatever number we pass on. And this Rand function actually generates the number, and based up for this is used to generate in a certain range. Okay.
Please like, share and subscribe.